18 facts about wheatgrass juice. Hello there, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're delving into the green goodness of wheatgrass juice. Get ready to discover 18 incredible facts about this vibrant elixir that's been hailed as a superfood. Whether you're already a wheatgrass fan or new to its wonders, you're in for a nutritious treat. So, let's kickstart this journey into wellness with 18 eye-opening facts about wheatgrass juice. Number 1. Wheatgrass juice is made from the freshly sprouted leaves of the common wheat plant, scientifically known as Triticum aestivum. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this verdant elixir has garnered immense popularity for its potential health advantages. Number 2. Historical records indicate that wheatgrass likely traces its roots to ancient Egypt, where it was deeply esteemed for its rejuvenating attributes. The ancient Egyptians harnessed wheatgrass as a natural remedy to address various health concerns and to infuse their bodies with enhanced vitality. Number 3. The hallmark of wheatgrass juice is its impressive chlorophyll content, the source of its vibrant green hue. Chlorophyll is believed to possess detoxifying properties that contribute to the promotion of robust blood circulation and overall well-being. Number 4. Drinking wheatgrass juice is reputed to fortify the immune system and bolster its defense against infections. The rich nutritional makeup encompassing vitamins A, C, and E plays a pivotal role in reinforcing the body's immune response. Number 5. A formidable source of antioxidants, wheatgrass juice serves as a shield, safeguarding the body against deleterious free radicals. These antioxidants are credited with mitigating oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic ailments. Number 6. The consumption of wheatgrass juice is thought to offer support for digestion and foster a healthy gut environment. Laden with enzymes that facilitate food breakdown and fiber that aids regular bowel movements, wheatgrass can contribute to digestive well-being. Number 7. Some people believe that wheatgrass juice can support weight loss due to its low calorie content and ability to boost metabolism. However, more research is needed to validate these claims. Number 8. Renowned for its alkalizing attributes, wheatgrass juice may help rebalance the body's H levels. Many believe that an acidic bodily environment is a contributing factor to health issues, and they turn to wheatgrass juice for its alkaline properties. Number 9. To maximize the potential health benefits of wheatgrass juice, it is recommended to consume it on an empty stomach. Optimal absorption is often achieved when it's consumed in the morning or between meals. Number 10. Wheatgrass juice can be enjoyed either on its own or combined with various fruits and vegetables to craft invigorating and nutritious smoothies. Infusing it with ingredients like apple, lemon, ginger, or cucumber can elevate both flavor and nutritional value. Number 11. People with gluten intolerance or celiac disease should exercise caution with wheatgrass juice. Although wheatgrass itself is gluten-free, the juicing process can entail a risk of cross-contamination. Number 12. The optimal way to relish wheatgrass juice is by savoring it freshly prepared. Its nutritional potency can rapidly diminish when exposed to air and sunlight. As such, juicing wheatgrass at home or procuring cold-pressed juices from reputable sources is often recommended. Number 13. Some people may experience detoxification symptoms when first consuming wheatgrass juice. These symptoms can include headaches, nausea, or an upset stomach. It is advisable to start with small quantities and gradually increase intake. Number 14. Wheatgrass juice is commonly used in natural skincare products due to its potential benefits for the skin. Its high antioxidant content may help reduce skin inflammation and promote a healthy complexion. Number 15. Wheatgrass juice is not a replacement for a balanced diet, but can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. It should be consumed as part of a varied diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Number 16. Cultivating your own wheatgrass at home is an accessible and cost-effective method to enjoy this nutritious beverage. By procuring wheatgrass seeds and cultivating them in trays or pots, you can ensure a steady supply of fresh wheatgrass. Number 17. The flavor of wheatgrass juice is frequently described as robust and grassy. Tastes vary, with some individuals finding it appealing as is, while others prefer to temper the flavor by blending it with complementary ingredients. Number 18. When purchasing wheatgrass juice, it is advisable to opt for organic and reputable brands that prioritize quality and safety. Ensuring that the wheatgrass is cultivated without the use of pesticides or chemicals is paramount to maximize its health benefits. As we wrap up this captivating journey through the world of wheatgrass juice and its 18 incredible facts, I hope you found this video as enriching and enlightening as the lush fields from which this superfood springs. If you've enjoyed this exploration of green goodness and want to see more fascinating content like this, don't forget to hit that like button below. Share the knowledge with your friends who might benefit from these facts, and let's create a ripple effect of wellness together. I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below with your feedback, questions, or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your input fuels the growth of this community and helps us tailor our content to your interests. Finally, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on our latest discoveries, health tips, and exciting explorations. Together, we'll continue our quest for a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us on this green adventure, and until next time, stay well, stay curious, and keep embracing the wonders of nature's remedies.